Today, I want to talk to you about something personal and something that I've experienced as a dad myself, and something I see over and over again in my work with other parents. It's that moment when your child, who used to be glued to your side, suddenly starts pulling away. Maybe your daughter used to beg to come over every weekend, and now she'd rather stay at home, hang out with her friends, or just be left alone. And it can feel like it's happening overnight, and it can hurt like hell. But I want you to know this: it's normal. And it doesn't mean that your child loves you any less. Around ages 11 or 12, kids hit a stage that psychologist Eric Erickson called identity versus role confusion. They start figuring out who they are, and part of that process means creating distance from their parents. Dr. Lisa Damour, in her book Untangled, explains that teenagers, especially girls, start seeking independence by prioritizing peer relationships. It's just part of growing up. And while it may feel like rejection, it's really not about you. Now, if you're already under a custody order, this shift can feel like it's throwing everything out of balance. You finally got your weekends, and now your children don't want to come over. You may feel tempted to enforce the schedule to the letter, but here's something I've learned, both professionally and personally. Sometimes flexibility is the best way to protect the bond. Research shows that for most matters, long term parent relationships aren't about time, but the quality of the connection with your child. If your child feels like they have to choose between being with you or keeping up with their social world, well, they might start to resent you for that. But if they know you respect them and you're willing to work with them, they're more likely to stay close to you, even emotionally, through those teenage years. That said, I know some of you are going through a divorce now, and you're in the middle of negotiating custody. So this is actually a great time to think ahead and build some flexibility right into the decree. Here are three creative clauses I recommend to parents with preteen or teens. Clause one, flexibility. Once the child turns 12, either parent can agree to modify parenting time for school, social, or emotional needs, as long as both parents confirm it in writing. Clause two, make-up time protection. If a parent voluntarily gives up their weekend because the child wants to stay at home or do something else, that parent gets make-up time within 30 days. Clause three, weekly connection clause. If the child isn't coming over, they still have to do a short weekly check-in, a phone call, FaceTime, or something else that keeps the connection alive. These small additions can help make a big difference down the line. They let your parenting plan grow as the child grows instead of becoming a source of conflict. I know it's hard to watch your child pull away. It's one of the hardest transitions you go through as a parent. But this isn't the end of your relationship. It's just a shift. So stay steady, be flexible, keep showing up. Because the more your child knows you're a safe place for them, who respects that they're becoming an adult, the more they'll come to you. I hope this video has been helpful. For more information, you can check us out at www.thepalmerlawfirm. I'm Sean Palmer with the Palmer Law Firm, where we can't protect your heart, but we can protect your rights.